this is all we give away. Yeah, to all the mothers this coming Sunday. I put some flower here, and this one we can share this, guys, to all the mothers. Cat and this and this. We share this, guys. Yeah. We can make more building in this side, or some more trees. Yeah, and then this. So we have 12, 13. I give away this. I will keep this too. Guys, this is all we share this coming Sunday. All the mothers, we will share in the community. And I'm thinking about the Q&A, maybe this coming July. On my birthday is July. So this is all my painting. I love this, so yeah, we keep it. And I'm thinking if I give away this one, yeah. So we have 14. Yeah. I love this, very handsome. And let's see if we can give away also that. Yeah. I love this painting. Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay. It's my caricature. And yeah, I cover. Let's see. I will let you see, guys, if it's done. And then maybe I will paint a house here. 14 canvas. Yeah. And this is sold out already, guys. We need to deliver today, later. This coming, because my birthday is July, so I'm thinking about we do Q&A and share my painting. Only a short video, guys, and thank you for watching. I love you all. I love you all.